Have you ever noticed how some people hold their hands in unique ways during meditation or yoga, almost as if they are creating a secret language with their fingers? What if I told you these simple hand gestures could unlock hidden potential within you, improve your health, and bring a sense of calm to your busy life? Stick around, because today we are diving into the fascinating world of hand mudras and practice one mudra together with surprising modern benefits that anyone can learn. So, what exactly are mudras? In Sanskrit, mudra literally means seal, gesture, or mark. In the context of yoga and meditation, hand mudras are specific hand positions that are believed to channel and direct the flow of energy or prana within the body. Think of them as subtle energetic switches that can influence your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. They are not just random hand movements. Each mudra has a unique significance and a specific effect. History of mudras. The practice of hand mudras is deeply rooted in ancient traditions, particularly in Hinduism and various forms of yoga. We can trace their origins back thousands of years. Ancient texts and scriptures, like the Hatha Yoga Pradipika and the Gheranda Samhita, describe various mudras and their therapeutic properties. They were used by yogis, rishis, and spiritual seekers to deepen their meditation, enhance their spiritual practices, and even heal various ailments. The science behind mudras. Now, you might be thinking, how can just holding my hands in a certain way do all this? Well, while the science is still an emerging field, there are several theories that attempt to explain the power of mudras in simple terms. The 5 elements connection. This is where it gets really interesting. In ancient Indian philosophy, everything in the universe, including our bodies, is made up of 5 fundamental elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space, or ether. Each of your fingers is believed to represent one of these elements. Thumb represents the fire element. Index finger represents the air element. Middle finger represents the space element. Ring finger represents the earth element. Little finger represents the water element. When you bring specific fingers together in a mudra, you are essentially balancing these elemental energies within your body, which can have profound effects on your health and mind. Nerve endings and reflexology. Our hands are packed with nerve endings, and many ancient healing systems, like reflexology, believe that different points on our hands correspond to various organs and parts of our body. By pressing or connecting specific points through mudras, we might be stimulating these nerve endings, sending signals to the brain, and influencing the corresponding organs or energy pathways. Energetic circuits. In traditional Indian philosophy, our body is believed to have energy channels called nadis and energy centers called chakras. Mudras are thought to create specific energetic circuits, directing the flow of prana through these nadis, thereby balancing the chakras and optimizing energy distribution throughout the body. Here is a surprising fact. Did you know that some ancient texts mention not just hand mudras, but also body mudras, head mudras, and even eye mudras? While hand mudras are the most commonly practiced, the concept extends to various parts of the body to create different energetic seals. This shows the depth and breadth of this ancient wisdom. Benefits of mudras. The benefits of practicing mudras are vast and can be experienced on multiple levels. Stress reduction and calmness. Many mudras help calm the nervous system, reducing anxiety and promoting peace. Improved focus and concentration. Certain mudras are excellent for enhancing mental clarity and focus. Enhanced digestion. Yes, there are mudras specifically aimed at improving digestive health, better sleep, Some mudras can help you relax and prepare your body for more restful sleep. Increased energy and vitality. Feeling sluggish. Certain mudras can boost your energy levels naturally. Let's try one together, focusing on our element connection. Jnana Mudra, Mudra of knowledge. Gently touch the tip of your index finger to the tip of your thumb. Keep the other 3 fingers extended and relaxed. By connecting the air and fire elements, this mudra is believed to stimulate wisdom, improve concentration, memory, and spiritual awareness. It also helps in reducing stress and calming the mind. You can practice this anytime, anywhere while meditating, sitting quietly, or just relaxing. So, what are your thoughts on hand mudras after this introduction? Have you ever tried any mudras before? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video informative, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching video.